That's mean it is all the deliveries are in one location. Anyway, it is nice, it's fair enough. So see you later, guys. Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we have a 3 hours delivery, and it is only 3 minutes to the first delivery. I was driving 1 hour 5 minutes to reach the place that I'm gonna be delivering. From the warehouse to the first delivery, it is 1 hour 5 minutes, and all the delivery time is 3 hours. That means from now until I finish the delivery, I have only 2 hours to finish the delivery. Otherwise, I'm gonna be, that means I am late for the delivery, or I'm doing more than the time that I'm supposed to do on this delivery. Today is a very nice day. It's not like yesterday and the day before that. It was too hot, and as you see that I am wearing a very nice shirt to do this delivery. And as I was doing before, of course, we are delivering in the very amazing and nice countryside of Northern Ireland. It's a very nice place, I like it. Hopefully you enjoy this delivery. And I think we have arrived to the first delivery, which is, oh my god, if it is closed. I think they are closed. Yep, they are closed. It's a business. I don't know. It's a bully bag. 64. I think they are closed. 76. Or 64. 64. All deliveries must be reported to the reception, I think. Do they have another door? No, let's see. Maybe they have another door. As you see, guys, that I'm wearing a very nice and light shirt because of the weather. I see an arrow there for the direction. Maybe that's the reception or something. Maybe there is an opening or car park. They are also closed. I don't know, what should I do? Do I have to leave it here? I'm not gonna leave it here. I'm just gonna return it. Return item. Return item. Unable to deliver. Next. Let's try to call the customer so quickly. Maybe they are gonna tell me to leave it in front of the gate, which is the thing that you should do if you are delivering here.
Calling. Please wait while we transfer you to the customer. There was an issue transferring the call to customer. Please
Alright, that means I have to return the delivery. Customer is unavailable, business closed, and then return to the delivery location. As you see, guys, here it is, the delivery location. See, this is a small town that I have to go and deliver there, and here I have about 10 deliveries to do. So this is first delivery. Anyway, I think we can do it in 2 hours, or less than 2 hours. So this is a business, and it is right now the time is almost 6 p.m. and most of the businesses, of course, they are closed by 5 p.m. So no wonder why they are closed and I am unable to do the delivery.
In 500 feet, keep left onto Church Road.
I don't know the name of the town. I'm gonna write it here.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right to enter a private road.
I don't know where am I, but all I know it is Antrim, County Antrim, and there was a town that I came through, and it's very big town, which is Antrim town or Antrim town. And also this area is beside the very big lake in Northern Ireland here. And
In half a mile, turn right to enter a private road. Then in 200 feet, arrive at the destination.
outside Antrim town there is Belfast International Airport. So I came by the airport, but I am not working around the airport. As you see here, guys, I have my 360 camera. So it's a very new addition to my camera set. I have arrived to the second delivery location. Oh, it's a nice house.
In 200 feet, arrive at the destination.
Nice small old house.
Arrive at the destination.
It's my small box 81. Hello. I have a delivery for you. Yeah, very nice day. 81. It's a small box, it says 81. I'm sorry, I'm recording.
Oh yeah, okay, no problem.
Yeah, I make sure to tell people that I'm recording. I can't find it, sorry. Where is it? Where is it? I think it's in the front maybe. All right.
Find it.
Thank you.
Man, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. As you see, I have a very big mess here. I need to reorganize this place. Ouch. A very big mess. Hopefully I'm able to close the door.